beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this face for the very first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing, without pressing that bell icon, because I'm sure you would want to be notified every time I post, because I've been posting on every alternate day and I'll be coming up with a lot of haul videos. You can suggest me down below what you want to see as well, and also do not forget to check me out on my Instagram account. Before moving ahead, guys, I want to tell you about this massive sale that I recently shopped from. So Bulbul is having their Bulbul Freedom Sale on the 75th Independence Day, and the dates are from 9th August to 15th of August, and you can get up to 75% off on apparel, footwear, gadgets and kitchen and home appliances, क्योंकि ये है आज़ादी का जश्न. And also you can get buy one get one free offer, and also amazing discounts if you buy more than one product. And I'm sure you don't want to miss out on this amazing deal right now. So if you want to shop from this freedom sale, all you have to do is click down the link down below. That is the Mera link given down below. So when you open this link, you will see the freedom sale banner. All you have to do is click on the banner and you will see all of the sale products which are like heavily discounted, and all of the offers are gonna be there. So do not forget to check that out. By the way, I've already got two amazing printed cotton kurtis from there. I like usually my mother gets kurtis from there, and also you have the occasion of Rakhi, so you might like feel like buying some ethnic wear or maybe some nice footwear or western wear. It's all up to you, but I'm sure you don't want to miss out on that. So do go and check out the link given down below and shop from the Mera link. Since I made a poll and you guys wanted to see SSS haul, and I thought, okay, let's just try. So for the first time in the history of mankind, I'm going to try out SSS, and I have bought 3 tops from there because it was my first time. So I thought, let's just start small, okay, and slow. Delivery time for SSS is usually between 10 to 30 days, 7 to 30 days actually. That's what it is written down in the SSS website. And luckily, what I got was reached to me within 9 to 10 days and not more than that. It was a moment of surprise for me, like absolute surprise. When it comes to the mode of payment, you can do your online payments like we do. You can do your GPay and all of that, and you can also go for cash on delivery. And trust me, if you're trying it out for the first time, go for cash on delivery. So I thought, let's just go for COD. That would be a safer option. Like when I literally get the stuff in my hand, I can pay for it. So usually you will see that they give you offers, a lot of offers, like 3 tops for $799, 3 tops for $999, and 3 tops for $1,099. That's what the usual sales are there. It's not sale, but that's what the technique that they use to sell. So this is the SSS packet that you get. It's like a clear packet, and then you have the stuff like whatever the courier wala stuff is there, and then we have the 3 things over here. And what I went for was actually 3 tops for $799, but there was actually a twist when I went there. So what I did instead, that I bought 2 tops of $399 and 1 more top that was like an oversized kind of tee, and that tee was actually for $499. I was loving that tee, so I had to get that anyway. So my all total boils down to $899 instead of $799. Let's just start with this black one over here that we got. It comes in this clear packet. This solid black tank top that you see over here, the length is sort of cropped, but it's not very cropped, to be honest. Like you can wear it with the mid-rise jeans for sure. This one I got in the size large, as I told you, because I wanted to get one size up, and actually I did the good thing. If I would have got the medium size, which is my actual size, it would have been very bodycon. And the material of this one is not stretchable, but still the material is pretty good. Like you can see the whole ribbed material stuff that is going on over here. It is so nicely done. Like I did not expect that the material would actually be ribbed and nice. So the finishing of the material is pretty good. If you have a heavier chest, then you should definitely size up one size. But just the one thing is that the sleeves part, like it's not like coming and like fitting properly over here. So it's like sort of like a little bit loose on the ends of the sleeves. So that is the one thing I need to get that altered. As of the price is concerned, it's pretty good. I can definitely see me wearing this a lot. I'm definitely going to use this because it's a casual and basic piece, and you always need basic pieces. The next one is again this sort of like solid color tan kind of style, and it is also crop but not very crop. Like you can wear it with your mid-rise jeans. This one I got in the size medium actually. I don't know why I sized up on that and I did not size up on this, but you know that it was fitting me pretty fine. But if I would have got like large size also, then it would not make much of a difference to me. The material for this one again is the same as the previous one. It is perfectly ribbed material, very nicely ribbed material. Sort of slight stretchability is definitely there, and the hemline and everything is of very good finishings, and like so many other options. It also has like a crew neck style. It also has a style where you have that cowgirl written. That was also so cute. Like now I feel like I should have got that. Same top is available on Urbanic Official, and that was for quite some coins. Okay, that was something like 760 rupees or something like that.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you.
And I'm very excited to see this one because I sort of have not seen this properly yet. Okay, oh wow, come on, this is pretty good. Like the SSS website does not have the description about the fabric and all of that a lot, but I feel like this is blended cotton and more of like cotton, like 70 to 80% cotton, because that's why like kind of it's like really nice material. And this is this oversized kind of baggy tee that I got. I wear oversized all the freaking time. I feel like they're just absolutely like you can put it on anywhere you. And this one has this nice print which says over it, and the color, obviously this color is everything. The purplish lavender shade, like it's more on the dull side of purple. I got this one in the size medium again, and it is because sort of it is like oversized tee, that's why it looks very big. One is definitely like a longer in length, like little bit below your waistline. It will come, it will look very good, trust me. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I sort of was surprised and I liked whatever I got, and now you know what you have to get, and I'll try to link them down below. I'm not very sure if they have links or not, but if they have links, I'll link them down below, or else you have definitely seen whatever I've got. You will easily be able to find them because all of the pieces that I've got were from the first 2 pages only, so you will easily find those. And yeah, you can comment down below what next videos that you want to see. It can be anything apart from the haul videos as well. And yeah, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Tana, bye bye.